Number 5. Pick out from the help box 5 things which you can find on trees. Write them below. Here you will look at the picture carefully. We will find out the things we can find on trees. See, this is pen. Do you find pen on trees? No. Do you find scale on trees? No. And what about the books? No, we find books on the table, right? These are not the things we find on trees, obviously, right? Okay. The things we find on trees, tinga kan ho chin, tinga chin ang ka. What about birds? Yes, birds, correct. B-I-R-D-S, birds. What about this one? This small creature. This small creature, caterpillar, is also on trees. We find this on trees, right? Caterpillar. Then what about this picture? What is it? This is spider. Yes, correct. You already know it. Spider. Spider is also on trees. We find monkeys also on trees, right? M-O-N-K-U-Y, monkey. Understand? And what about this insect, this creature? Bees. Bees, we find bees also on trees. Okay, bees. These things, this creature, these living things lives on the tree. So, as I said earlier, you will find from the picture and list out the things which you can find on trees. 6. Complete the names of fruits. The first and the last letters have been given to you as a hint. This question number 6 is same with number 1. Both are similar. Both are the names of fruit. These two are the names of fruit. I hope it will be easier for you to complete these words, these names of fruit. Here the first and the last letter has been given as a hint, so it will be easier for you to find out what that is and what is the name of that fruit. Number G for, as I just said earlier, grapes. G for grapes. Here you will write G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Number B, what kind of fruit have a name that starts with letter O? O for orange, right? Orange. B for banana. G for guava and P for pineapple. M for mango. Next, number 7. Name some trees which you have seen in your neighborhood park. The first and the last letters have been given as a hint. Here you will write the name of some trees. Name of trees. What is tree? Tree means thingkung. Thingkung selectiro. Here, as you can see, these are the picture of trees, different kind of trees. So here you will write the name of these trees. The first and the last letter has been given as a hint, so it will be easier for you to find out. Number 1, N. N stands for neem. M for, look at the picture. It looks like a mango tree, right? Mango. M for mango. Mango tree. C, P. What fruit will it be? Look at the picture. This one is papaya tree. You can tell from the picture itself. This is papaya tree. So here you will write P-A-P-A-Y-A. Understand? And what about this one? Have you ever seen this kind of tree? Maybe you have seen it on television. So let's find out its name. This is coconut tree. Okay, coconut tree. So here you will write C-O-C-O-N-U-T. 8. We will cut down this one and we'll go to number 9. Color these fruits and label them. The first letter has been given as a hint. First of all, before you write their name, here you will color these pictures, these fruits. These are fruits. So before you start writing their names, you will color these fruits, and so that it will be easier for you to find out their names. Okay, but I have done this too for you. I hope you will find out these things by yourself after coloring. Anyway, let me tell you what they are. G for grapes, F for apple, M for mango, L for lychee, P for papaya, B for banana. The last question. Number 10. Can you name 3 things which trees give us? The first and the last letter has been given as a hint. Look at the picture carefully. As you can see here, this is a big tree. A big tree bears fruits also. It has leaves, branch, and this man is resting peacefully under the tree. He is lying or sleeping peacefully under this tree because there is shade here. So we will find out from the picture the 3 things that the trees give us. What does the trees give you? Before we start writing here, let me tell you that trees do not only give us 3 things. Actually, trees give us so many things, and it is very helpful for us. Here there are only 3 points, 3 things, 3 points the trees give us. Okay, let me explain first. S dash E. As I told you earlier, this man is lying and resting, sleeping peacefully under the tree because there is shade. Under the shade, ahlim. Ahlima, klamong takin hepa hemoni. It's one thing to an again in big hlim nuam tak coming beni. That's why you will write here S-H-A-D-E, shade. Understand? Tingin til min bed til trangkai na ting trangkai na ka kan ziak ton kan ti ka. Number B, F-R-U-I-T-S. By looking at the picture, you can tell that this tree bears fruits. Fruit is very tasty, right? Ting chuan thei ra min pe bokani chu ra an nei china ara te kan aya. They are very tasty, right? So another thing the trees give us is fruits. Understand? Number C. And The biggest and a very great thing the tree gives us is F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest, ramnoi, more. A place where many trees are called forest, right? Thing tam de om namun kha ramnoi kan ti chain ani. More. A place where many trees are called forest, and the forest on all those trees gives us oxygen to breathe in. More. Kan bau ruak thok lu tur te hi thing te hi anin pe ani. That's why tell yourself, your parents, others also, not to cut the forest, not to cut the trees. More. An changkai e ma thing te chu a hlim te a ra te min pek zong zong ba ka khan, the thing which we cannot live without, oxygen. Bau ruak thiang hlim mo atel lawa kan nun thai law kha min pe bo kani chu wangin don't cut the trees. Tell others also, okay, because they give us oxygen to breathe in, and the things which we cannot live without. Okay, that means trees are very important in our life and for our future. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.